Good morning, children. In the last class, we have seen the venation in the leaves, and we had found with the microscope a part in the leaf called stomata, and it acts as a nose. It is helpful in the exchange of gases between the plants and atmosphere. Okay, today we are going to see the Today we are going to see another function of the leaf, that is called the transpiration. Okay, we are watering the plants. The excess water in the plant's body is removed in the form of water from the leaf surface. Okay, the excess water in the plant's body is removed in the form of vapor from the leaf surface. Okay, we can prove it by doing an activity. Okay, we must choose a hot summery day to do this activity. To do this activity, we need 2 polythene bags. Okay, 2 polythene covers. Okay, now tie one of the polythene bag to the leafy branch of a plant. Tie one of the polythene bag to the leafy branch of the plant and tie another polythene bag without keeping any part of the plant. Okay, and leave it for few hours. After few hours, if you observe, we can find the water drops in the polythene bag that has tied to the leafy branch of a plant. Okay, we can find the water drops in the polythene bag that has tied to the leafy branch, and there is no water drops in the polythene bag that has tied without keeping any part of the plant. Okay, that means the excess water in the plant's body is released in the form of vapor from the stomata in the leaf or other parts. Okay, or other parts. These vapors of water are condensed and forms water drops in the unformed water drops in the polythene bag. Okay, so the process of releasing excess water in the plant's body in the form of vapor from the stomata or other parts of the plant is called the transpiration. The process of releasing water in the form of vapor from the stomata in the leaf and other parts is called the transpiration. Okay. And plants' leaves will prepare the food by using the process photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photo means light. That means in the presence of light, plants will prepare food. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and we are giving the water in the presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means the green color pigment that is present in the leaves is called the chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, leaves will prepare the food and releases oxygen. This process is called the photosynthesis. Okay, leaves are having the green color pigment called chlorophyll. By using the carbon dioxide and the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and water in the presence of sunlight, prepares the food and releases the oxygen. This process is called the photosynthesis. Okay, so what are the functions of the leaf? Okay, what are the functions means? It is helpful in respiration, Okay, and transpiration, and it is preparing the food by the process called photosynthesis. These are the functions of the leaves. Okay, next, cortical. Cortical means it is the traditional food of Konsem of the Godavari district. Okay, in this preparation they will use the jackfruit leaves. Jackfruit leaves. Okay, they will prepare the cups by using this jackfruit leaves, and they will fill those cups with the batter made up of black gram and idli rava. Okay, or rice rava. And they will steam it. Okay, they will steam it. That steamed food the people can take with any chutney, like idli. They can take with any chutney. It is healthy and delicious also. This jackfruit leaves gives flavor to that food, impart flavor to that food and makes it delicious. Okay, leaves play every part. Plants are having the parts like leaves, stem, roots. Okay, plants have the parts called leaves, stem, flowers, roots. Most of the plants have the parts leaves, stem, flowers and roots. Okay, every part, every part, not all the parts of the plant has some functions that are essential for the whole plant. Okay, there are different forms of the plants in the nature, and those plants adapt themselves to the nature conditions, different conditions in the nature. Okay, plants in the nature, they adapt themselves to the nature. They adapt themselves to the conditions in the nature. Okay, for example, stem usually gives support to the plant's body, but in some plants they adapt themselves and store the food. Okay, next, flowers. All we know, flowers has the colorful parts called the petals. Okay, these petals will attract the insects and birds for the pollination. Okay, they are helpful for the pollination. Flowers are having the colorful petals. They attract the insects and birds. Those are helpful in the pollination and produces the and helpful to produce the fruits. Okay, we are planting more, we are growing more plants in our gardens. Why we are planting means to give beauty to the nature. Okay, flowers are very colorful now. So to give beauty to the nature, we are growing plants in our surroundings. Okay, now open your textbook. In the textbook we can see some bits and match the following. Open page number 42. Taproot system, fill in the blanks. Taproot system is present in dash plants. Okay, we have seen the two types of plants now, dicot plants and monocot plants. Taproot system is found in dicot plants. Taproot system is found in dicot plants. Taproot system means it is having one main root, and that is called the taproot, and small roots are arising from the sides of the roots. Okay, the bud at the tip of the stem is known as, okay, the bud at the tip of the stem is known as the terminal bud or apical bud. Next, third bit. Part of the leaf that helps in exchange of gases is, which part in the leaf helpful for the exchange of gases? Stomata. Which part helps in the exchange of gases in the leaf means stomata. Next, primary organs of photosynthesis are what are the primary organs of photosynthesis? Leaves. Okay. Taproot system is found in dicot plants. The bud at the tip of the stem is known as the terminal or apical buds. The part of the plant leaf that helps in the exchange of gases is stomata, and the primary organs of photosynthesis is leaves. Okay, next choose the correct answer. The important function of stomata is transpiration. Okay, the important function of stomata is transpiration. Next, part of the plants that helps in absorption of water and minerals. Which part of the plant absorbs water and minerals? Root. Okay, part of the stem from where leaves arise is called the node. Okay, where part of the stem where leaves are arising, on the stem where the leaves are arising, that part is called the node. Okay, this is the choose the correct answer. Okay, thank you.